To write on a pad, first we need a pad, and we can create one like this. And we will see a little symbol when we come in to the pad, and when you come closer you can see it's saying pad, but when you try to write on it you can't, because it's a closed shape at the moment. It doesn't have a beginning and an ending point. So to create a beginning point, we will take the scissors tool and cut the shape. And right now, when we go like this, if you see this little symbol, it means you can write on the pad. And when we just click it, it already writes something, but I will write something else. Comes back around. I have always loved this song. And you can't move it around. I think this font is really good for writing something like that. It looks full and really good. And as you can see, we have it. But you can try something else, maybe a rectangle. Draw it again. Turn it into a shape, a pad. And as you can see, when you cut it, it says shape expanded. This is also mean that you can write on it. And as you can see, it looks it doesn't look right. And what can we do about it is choose your rectangle. Blank spaces. If you don't want it, you can draw another rectangle and soften the corners, make it more round, and now turn it into a pad. And when you write on it, oops, it will look like this. Also, you can draw your own pad, and it just like anything you like or anything that already exists. And again, you can write on it. It's really, really that simple.